Alright, so now in this video we're going to be seeing this GIF one, and this video is going to be very short. So what does this GIF mean? And for that, let's just keep at least one widget over here, or we can just delete this and we can have this GIF. Let's suppose we want to wish somebody good morning. We are sending a message in the morning and we want to have good morning message. Or let's say inside the bot itself, when your bot is ending, you want to say thank you or bye. All right, so let's say bye. Search for bye over here. It comes from Jiffy, and you can just scroll up and down and you can use any one of them. All right, so let's say this one was good, so let's click on that, and in a couple of seconds this would be uploaded over here, and let's just wait for it. This can be very fantastic when we are using it in the flow. So meanwhile, let me just open up one of my bot where I can show you where I'm using it. So bot, I have a question. Instagram audit access. I have a question podcast. Probably I might not be using it right now. Gary V resources mentioned. Nope, not right now. But anyways, I'll show it to you over here. So let's say click on test this page, open messenger, and it will have a GIF right over here. Bingo. All right, so it will continuously play on. So let's just have a conversation, and let me show you the live demonstration for that one. This is my real bot, so I'll go into dummy, and I will create something like let's actually remove this and let's search for hi. Right, assume that this is your first message in the conversation. So hi, let's say hello, hi. All right, so this hello is good one. Let's have that. All right, so it says hello, and now I'm going to write some text. Hello, hope you are doing awesome, and then I want first name. Hello, hope you're doing awesome, and then I want once again Jiffy. I want to say yeah. So perfect. I want somebody who is saying this thumbs up. All right, so let's say thumbs up. I'm just randomly searching. Even I don't know those search terms, so if there would be any GIF related to that, it will show you. If it is not, it won't. So this is great. All right, so thumbs up. You got it, dude. This is nice. This is also nice. So let's have this particular one, the Iron Man. All right, so and just to match this GIF, what I will do is I will have a thumbs up over here. All right, great. And just because now we know the typing widget as well, I'll add typing. Let's minimize this, and minimize this as well. And I want this typing to be, let's suppose first there would be GIF, then there would be hope you're doing awesome, and I want some typing effect before that next GIF comes into picture. So I want that to be up to 2 seconds. Right, so by default it would be 2 seconds. And now let's test this page. All right, so it is hello, rather let me just delete this and let's try it once again so that we can just see what we are doing over here. All right, so hello, hope you're doing awesome, and there is some typing widget, typing effect, and then there was thumbs up. So that's how you can use your GIF widget. I'll see you in the next one.